As things get more and more desperate, after the Jamaican men failed again to qualify for the mile relay at the Paris Olympics. For context, there are two fundamental realities at play. Now, first of all, at this moment, Jamaica does not have a lot of depth and quality in the men's 400 meters. Secondly, and even more fundamental to our current relay struggles, is the fact that athletes who are contenders for glory in individual events, we're talking athletes at the level of finalists, those athletes will always prioritize their individual events and pay scant regard to relays. Coaches and managers and agents don't care about relays as they focus on the athletes' bread and butter events. It is only after they put all their efforts into their flat events that the relays will emerge as a potential bonus medal. That is why we are in this predicament with the men's mile relay. And unfortunately, that is what will continue to happen well into the foreseeable future.